The U.S. Navy's TAGOS-25 class ocean surveillance ships, recently renamed the Explorer-class, are set to play a critical role in enhancing the Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities. These ships are designed to replace the aging Victorious and Impeccable classes, which have been key assets in the Navy's integrated undersea surveillance system for decades. However, despite their strategic importance, the program faces numerous challenges, including rising costs, delays in procurement, and evolving operational needs. The Explorer-class ships will be equipped with the Advanced Surveillance Towed Array Sensor System, or SURTASS, which is vital for gathering undersea acoustic data. This data plays a crucial role in monitoring submarine activities, especially from adversaries like China and Russia. The Navy currently operates 5 older TAGOS vessels, stationed in Yokohama, Japan, featuring a design known for its stability in rough seas. These ships have served since the early 90s and early 2000s. But as the fleet ages, the need for more modern, capable vessels has become clear. The Explorer-class ships are designed to be larger and faster, offering better operational efficiency. In January 2025, the Navy named the first 2 ships in the class in honor of pioneering explorers Don Walsh and Victor Vescovo, recognizing the significant role these ships will play in the future of undersea surveillance. The Navy plans to procure 7 Explorer-class ships, though procurement schedules have been adjusted, with the second ship deferred from fiscal year 2025 to 2026, and the rest to follow annually through 2029. One of the main concerns surrounding the program is its escalating cost. The price of the first ship has risen by nearly 82% to $789.6 million, due to factors like inflation, supply chain issues, and higher-than-expected engineering costs. In addition, the costs for the 6th and 7th ships have been adjusted upwards, raising questions about potential further price hikes for earlier vessels. Delays in the construction of the first ship have also put the program's overall timeline in jeopardy. In May 2023, the Navy awarded Austal USA a contract for the design of the TAGOS-25 class, with the potential for up to 7 ships, which could total $3.2 billion. A year later, in May 2024, the Navy allocated an additional $516 million for long lead materials and the construction of the first ship. This highlights the complexity and scale of the project. The decision to defer funding for the TAGOS-25 program in FY 2025 has drawn attention from Congress. Lawmakers have raised concerns about how this delay will affect fleet readiness, especially as adversaries like China continue to modernize their submarine capabilities. Maintaining momentum on this program is seen as crucial to ensuring that the Navy remains capable of countering undersea threats. The Explorer-class ships are essential to the Navy's ability to monitor and counter submarine threats. With China's growing nuclear-powered attack submarine fleet, these ships will provide enhanced surveillance capabilities, ensuring that the U.S. Navy remains at the forefront of undersea warfare and maritime dominance. Despite the challenges the program faces, the TAGOS-25 Explorer-class ships promise to strengthen the Navy's strategic position in the undersea domain. However, addressing the rising costs, delays, and shifting timelines will be key to ensuring the success of this critical initiative.